Hi, welcome to Unit 1. In this unit, we're going to develop some of the basic principles, tools, and ideas underlying the optimizing behavior of economic agents, such as firms or consumers. The tools and principles that we will develop are extremely useful because most of the economic models that we will study in this course involve some form of optimizing agent, either a consumer, a firm, or sometimes even a government. We begin the course by studying these principles of optimizing behavior because by mastering the ideas in this unit, you will be on your way to have all of the tools and concepts that you need to successfully understand all of the other models that we will study in the course. Thus, it is really worthwhile to invest in understanding the material in this section really well. By the way, there is another motivation for studying the material in this section. If you're one of those students who dreams of riches and of taking over the world, the principles of optimizing behavior that we will study in this section will also teach you how to become a more effective decision maker in your daily life. I want to finish this introduction by making several comments that I urge you to take very seriously because they are based both on my commitment to help students understand this course and on over a decade of experience in teaching this material. First, a comment about prerequisites, which you should take very seriously. Basic understanding of calculus is absolutely necessary to be able to understand the course and to do well on it. This includes the ability to take the derivative of any function that I give you of one variable and a deep understanding of what a derivative is. If you have not taken the appropriate course, I urge you to go and take it first and then come back and take this class, which will be offered repeatedly in years to come. For example, there is an outstanding, absolutely outstanding univariate calculus course in the courseware platform at MIT. Second, in my experience, a non-trivial fraction of the students who take this course find the first week of the class very hard. This is not due to any inherent difficulty of the material or to any abstract math that you need to know. It is due, however, to the fact that many students are not used to deal with mathematical notation in the way that most economists do. Despite this, if you're finding this first week difficult, I urge you to persevere. Why? Because in my experience, students who stick with it and work hard often find a couple of weeks later that the material in the first week becomes very familiar, very natural, very easy, and end up enjoying the course tremendously. So stick with it. Don't give up in the first week, even if you find this hard. Finally, don't forget to take advantage of the resources that we have put together in this course to help you master the material. In particular, don't forget the practice problems for Unit 1, which will allow you to put in practice the concepts and ideas that we have been studying before you have to attend the problem set. All of these practice problems come with extremely detailed solutions that you can use to improve your understanding. In addition, many students find the discussion board an extremely useful source of advice and a good way to have their questions answered, both by TAs and by other members of the class. Without more preamble, let's do some economics.